Official statement ni Mayor Magalong. Effective September 26, 2025, I have decided to resign from the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI. This was not an easy choice, but one I believe is necessary. Once and for all, I would like to make it clear that there is no conflict of interest in my role. My work as Mayor Baguio and my service with the ICI have always been guided by one principle: the highest standards of integrity in public service. However, recent developments have cast doubt on the independence of the Commission. Independence is the bedrock of accountability, and without it, our credibility is compromised. I refuse to allow these doubts to weaken the ICI and its mandate. That is why I have chosen to step aside, not to abandon the fight, but to protect the very integrity of the fight. My commitment to truth and justice remains steadfast, whether within or outside the ICI. I will continue this crusade against corruption with the same resolve I have carried in every battle I have faced. From Mama Sapano to the Ninja Cops probe to standing up against traditional politics and now to exacting accountability from those who plunder public funds. We should never allow corrupt political leaders and bureaucrats to steal the future of our children, and most importantly, the future of our country. Every peso stolen from the people is not just an act of theft. It is a school left unfinished, a hospital without medicine, a bridge collapses, and a nation's hopes betrayed. The greatest injustice is that corruption robs the people of their safety and their future. To my fellow Filipinos, I ask for your vigilance, your courage, and your sense of nationalism. We cannot allow corruption to define our future. We must stand together for transparency, accountability, and good governance for our country and for the future generations of Filipinos. Remember this. This will be a long fight, and we must be prepared to play the long game. The forces of corruption are deeply entrenched, but so too is the Filipino spirit of resilience and courage. Change will not happen overnight. As long as we remain vigilant, as long as we continue to resist, and as long as we keep faith in our country, then we will prevail. The power of the people will always be stronger than the power of the few. The crusade against corruption continues.
I ask for your vigilance, your courage, and your sense of nationalism.
The power of the people will always be stronger than the power of the few.
Crusade against corruption continues.